Hey guys, and thank you for tuning in. I've just washed my hair and I will be showing you how I styled my hair using Kaleidoscope Hair Products.
I wanna take my wig off. I wanna lay it on the nightstand. I wanna take my makeup off. I wanna rip these nails off my hands.
So I started with the Milkshake, leaving Detangler spray, and then I moved on to use the Best Friend Heat Protectant.
Spend the night, so you know that there was way more to me. And if you don't want me at my good night, then you can't have me at my morning glory. At my morning glory. And if you don't want me at my good night, then it's gonna be goodbye. Gonna be goodbye. This ain't BK, you can have it your way. You decided you'll stay with me, all the homies caked up on me tonight or the morning, yeah. And I might look like on me and oh my, up under all the things, but you can't spend the night, so you know that there was way more to me. And if you don't want me,
you will see that I did have to wet my hair a little bit more. There's just water in that spray bottle with a couple drops of olive oil because my hair dries so fast and it was really difficult to work those products through as my hair was drying. So I needed a little extra moisture.
tell me why should I be tripping on you? Why I should be paying dues? I'm a phone into you, phrase on Ari and Badu. I know I'm fine, don't need an outer confirmation from a man who uses 2-in-1 and thinks he doesn't say. Don't need acrylics on the clock to hit the nail on the head. Don't need my inches down my back to throw it back in the bed.
For time's sake, I'm gonna step away and finish the other half of my head. This is how my curls are looking. They're not as defined as I would like, but the products that I used were pretty light, not very heavy or very thick at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my diffuser and see what these results turn out to be like. I like to stretch my hair when I use my diffuser in order to retain a little bit more length for my curls and to avoid too much shrinkage. I'm noticing that it is creating a little bit of frizz, especially since I don't have a cream-based product in my hair, but we'll see if I can work with these results. So my hair is about 75% dry, and this is what we have. It's a little more frizz on top than I would prefer, but I'm gonna step away and see if I can shape this into something a little more cute. All right, so my hair is about 95% dry right now, and when I stepped away, I just grabbed me some of my olive oil that I use. Is actually extra virgin olive oil. I buy it from the grocery store, and I buy it specifically for my hair and my skin. And this is the only other thing that I added to my hair, as I wanted to really see how my hair worked with the Kaleidoscope Hair Products. So I'm gonna take a little moment here and go ahead and style my hair for the day and show you how I did that. It's super quick and easy. So I'm just gonna do 3 flat twists around the first half of my head, and I'll show you how I spice it up a little bit.
If you don't want me at my good night, then you can't have me at my morning glory.
This style is super easy. All you literally need is a couple bobby pins and a hair tie.
Tell me why should I be tripping on you? Why I should be paying dues? I'm a phone into you, phrase on Ari and Badu. I know I'm fine, don't need an outer confirmation from a man who uses 2-in-1 and thinks he doesn't say. Don't need acrylics on the clock to hit the nail on the head. Don't need my inches down my back to throw it back in the bed. So when you speak on me and say that she ain't put together, don't forget to mention that I got my shit together. If you don't want me at my good night, then you can't have me at my morning glory.
I also have here some of the Kaleidoscope Edge Control. It's called Miracle Edges, I believe. And I'm going to test it out here, and I'll be back in a second and let you guys know what I think. So now that I have transformed, I figured I would come on here and actually talk to you guys about the Kaleidoscope products that I use in achieving this look. Well, this look, because this is different. So the first thing that I'll talk about is the Milkshake leave-in detangler spray. Okay, like, I was excited about this because the name just makes me think of like the song. And I was like, okay, let me see how many boys I'm bringing to the yard with this milkshake. Ow. All right. But the consistency is pretty thin. It's not like a milkshake that you see. Like, you know, if you go to get a milkshake, you know. I'll let you guys see the consistency. Oh, okay. And there you have it. It's pretty thin, not very thick at all, but it smells like coconut and it's good. I mean, I guess if you had like a coconut milkshake, it might be like this, because coconut is like a juice. Forget it. It definitely did help with like the detangling process of my hair. Granted, I don't really have like tangly hair, whatever. And my hair is not really like coarse either, but I am tenderhead, so like I have to have something in my hair if I'm gonna comb through it. Like, even just plain water is still like not gonna cut it. It did that much. It definitely did help with my detangling process. And as you can see, like when I was doing this style, you know, I was parting it in these little sections and there was no tangle. It was not a big effort to try and like separate these sections. So there you have it, the Milkshake leave-in detangler spray, and it is infused with coconut milk. All right, so what it says is that this leave-in detangler spray is a lightweight leave-in treatment that helps hair, I can't read it, detangles, it adds body, leaves hair glossy, nourished, and frizz free. Now, she's not very frizz free, okay? Like, my hair is, it gets frizzy. I do have to use a thicker product to help combat like some of that frizz. I don't mind a little bit of frizz, but like I also really do like definition. If I was going for a defined look, I may have to try something different. What I did like about this is that it is lightweight. My hair is super bouncy. Like, having used this product along with the Best Friend Heat Protectant, like my hair doesn't feel weighed down at all. It's still lightweight, it's still bouncy, it still feels clean. Okay, we'll go ahead and talk about the Best Friend Heat Protectant. So in this product, it says it restores hair's natural luster while preventing future damage. It helps nourish, condition, and smooth strands for a silky smooth finish. I use this product before I diffuse, and I don't usually use a heat protectant before I diffuse, but I figured that I should because I do diffuse on high heat. I just don't have time to sit there on like a cool setting or low heat setting when I'm usually running late. I just go straight for the high heat and try to get my hair at least like 75% dry before I leave the house, because yeah, that's usually all I have time for. I'll show you guys the like consistency of this. It's super light, like it's super light and misty, right? Look at that. It smells like candy. I'm gonna actually add a little bit more of this right now because I'm gonna see if I can get that same shine, okay? Go ahead and shine that on up. So last but not least, I did use the Kaleidoscope Miracle Edges on my edges for these 3 sections right here in the front. And I will say that this edge control is like the truth, okay? Because it says just what you need to bring those stubborn edges back. And if you got stubborn edges, this is the edge control for you. Because I feel like this edge control just put my little baby hairs in time out and said don't move, and they didn't. As I was putting this on, I noticed that it is a little thicker, is that the word I want to use, than what I would typically use on my edges. I guess because I would usually just use like gel. I don't really have stubborn edges, so it doesn't take a lot for me to like lay them down. Sometimes I could just like use a little water and put a scarf on. But this is definitely something that I would use like if I'm in rehearsal, I'm on set, just being a dancer. I think that something like this is important to have for when you need to keep those edges laid and slayed for every take, okay? If you in an audition or something like that and you just want to make sure you maintain your cute at all times, then get you some Kaleidoscope Miracle Edges, okay? I just noticed that like once I put this on and like kind of slicked my baby hairs down in one direction, like if I tried to move them, they wasn't going nowhere. That's a really good thing if you like sweat a lot, or if you're going somewhere and you may be like hot and you just don't want to like sweat your hairstyle out. You don't want the humidity causing your edges to curl back up. Or if you have like a more coarse texture of hair that and you know you just want like those edges to stay slick throughout the day, I would definitely recommend this. All this stuff just smell like a piece of candy. Let me see what kind of candy this smell like. Sour Patch Kids. Yep. Okay. It's clear, which is also good because like you don't have to worry about it leaving any type of like colored residue. One thing I do want to try is I want to see how these products work on my hair when I straighten it. I want to know how it works when I apply direct heat. So using a diffuser, you know, the heat is diffused and it isn't like directly on your hair, I guess. But you know, using the flat iron is like different. So that is all. I just got cute. So somebody got to see all of this, right? And I'll get back in with y'all and let y'all know how many boys I bring to the yard with this milkshake, okay? Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or if there's anything that you want to know, please do not hesitate to leave a comment below and I will get back to you ASAP. Also, please follow me on Instagram for just more updates on natural hair care, natural hair products. And thank you guys for watching.